And this is Tarika Shri R of 10th ICSE speaking here, and I am a very proud student of Shri Sai coaching classes, and I'm really very happy to share with you guys that I have scored 94% in the ICSE board examination this year. This was not only possible because of my hard work but also because of the guidance and the mentoring of Vikas sir and the faculty members of Shri Sai coaching classes. I joined SSCC a year before and I have seen a drastic improvement in my percentage and my knowledge and learning capabilities. Like, I was scoring only 75% before and now I have scored 94%. This was a complete drastic change, and this is a milestone in my life which I was able to achieve only because of SSCC, because of the weekly tests and the practice and the doubt clarification given by the faculty members. The weekly tests are really very helpful for you to learn certain chapter in depth, which was really very helpful for me to cover the whole chapter in one go. So also the practice given by the faculty members during the end of the year for you to improve your skills in writing the answers in the examination and gain some confidence for you to attend the examinations in your school. So the practice tests are really very helpful for you to gain very good marks, and also the tips and the certain real life lessons which we can learn here was really very helpful for me in real life, which we could apply and which we could solve certain problems in person, in real. So the 1 year journey was a complete package for me because it not only focuses on my study and improvement but also in my hobbies and also in the sports field, because we could participate in the outdoor, indoor activities, competitions, PPT presentation and much more, which was really very fun to do. So SSCC is a complete package, if I have to tell. Whatever you can't do in school because of certain reasons, you can do here. And also the faculty members are very open-minded about the doubt clarification, and by the end of the day all your doubts will be vanished and you will be very clear in each and every concept taught each day. So it is really very helpful for your studies, and also it will make you understand the chapters in greater depth, and also will be able to increase your knowledge in certain subjects, especially in maths and physics, where we will not be able to understand certain sums, and in chemistry where you cannot understand certain reactions, why is it happening, like that. So the faculty members are very much experienced and they are really very much helpful for you to gain certain confidence for attending the exam, and they will give tips for you also to increase your memory power or certain real life problems also. And there was also a counseling session held for choosing your correct career option, which you can attend with your parents. So that was really very much helpful for me to choose my career. So there are parent teachers meeting where you can meet the teachers along with your parents and also learn from your mistakes in the exams. And there will also be the competitions and annual day where you can express yourself in your desire to do some extracurricular activities, and you can be able to express yourself in a different way. And also where whatever you participate in, there will be a reward for you. So if you do your hard work 1 year, you can gain the result at the end of the year. This is really worth it because if you do your hard work, you will get your results at the end of the year, which will make you, not only you and your parents proud, but also the SSCC members proud, because their students have been able to score such marks and rise to such heights. So this was really very helpful for me to get a distinction mark. So I'm really very happy about this. So I hope all the students of SSCC will be able to gain such marks and reach such heights. Thank you so much. Signing off. This is Tarika. All the best.